Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for inquiring on this beautiful 2020 Hyundai Palisade in black. Follow me, let me show you some features. Initially, in the front of the vehicle, of course, we have the LED wrapped headlamps, daytime running lights, parking assist sensors on the front bumper. Step around this way for me. We have full-size 20-inch wheels, green caps, nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot signaling mirrors, keyless entry on the doors, light tan leather interiors, 10-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Autoplay, blind spot notification system, lane keep assist, and all of these features are available on top of a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty. And all of these features are available here at Tameron Hyundai. My name is Bell. You can reach me at 334-435-9366. And here at Tameron, you love the way you treat me.